I-ice cream guys mayingagaleli ngathi umuntu i-ice cream angayigaleli ngathi hayi thina support wena nge-ice cream hayi umuntu angasebenzi angathini afuna ugaleli wenza milkshake i-ice cream umuntu hayi baphila kamnandi abantu balala 24/7 abathi good day sir abantu abangathi good day sir jonako umuntu angasebenzi angathini afuna ugaleli wenza milkshake.
TikTok is a very powerful place, so I know there is a neighbor, there is someone that knows who this guy is. I want to buy him all the ice cream he wants to eat for the balance of December. As a matter of fact, amakeke akismuzi unawo yini, does he have them? Because you can't be disciplining someone and your only line of discipline is because akasebenzi, it's because he doesn't have a job. As if there aren't millions of people in South Africa that don't have jobs. 2025 has not been easy for most of us. Now this man must be afraid to tata ukudla kubo. Since niyakhulumela ukudla kubo, ngicela ukuthenga ke mina ngizothenga nanogesi. Ngizothenga nanogesi. I will buy even the electricity so that he can store the food because angifuni nimkhulumele. Namanzi nimtshela ukuthi water bill imalini so that he can enjoy his December freely. I will do it. Ngizokwenza. And you know, it's a crazy thing. I know I'm not the only one that's going to help this man out because you can't ukhulumela ice cream ka 100 rand. Ngaphela lo ice cream yawazi lo 5 to 100 rand. Mela ngawudli nangawe enjoy because he's not working. Anengitholile nobhuti mina ngizomthengela ice cream. Negrosa azothi mayivula nepaloni ayisike any which way he wants. This video hurt me. Actually, it was.
Molweni guys, nize ngochuku izolo I came across a video evuvisa kabuhlungu umphefumulo wami ndaqonda hayi man khayeke man suyigcinga kakhulu ndivuke ndiyicinga and ke ngoku ndiyabona abantu bazama umfumana namfana ancedakale ingaske nami ndive xa sefunyenwe siboneni masithini bethuni. Anyway, le video ngumfana okha i-ice cream ukowabo ukhi ice cream uzigalelele eglasini ende othogqiba uyavala njengoba apha evideo uyaqibile ukukha uphaka uyayibuyisela e-deep freeze uyanantsika uyashawutwa ifamily yonke guys uthukelwa i-ice cream ba i-ice cream engaka udugcwalise i-ice cream yiyona nto ba yeyi bamthuka kabuhlungu labhuti uyathuka ba i-ice cream yini udugalele i-ice cream engaka yiyona nto uyaziyo wena ulala 24/7 awukwazi ukuthi yes boss okanye yes nto libele laa nto yesana lo mjikelezo ngesitulo e-ofisini uyasigezisa kwamanye amaxa ngobhuti bethu abayabethuna ngobhuti bethu abathi xa kubhujiwe bavuke bengakhalazi bayokomba because ufuneke umzimba ufakiwe ngobhuti bethu abathi uba kukho umcimbi bayaququzela bayasebenza because umuntu uyazazi ba ngokwasemalini akananto so yena uzafuneka show up njani physically ngezinto ezidinga ukwenziwa ngobhuti bethu nana hlabe kabuhlungu enhlizweni yami laa nto isono sobhuti bethu kuba zona ezaba isivi zingathathwa. So ngathi umshawuto olahlobo umuntu umshawuto like okay fine kweminye imizi kukho restrictions like akufani kwimizi mina ekhaya ice cream noba uvuke ngo10 ekseni wa decide ba wena ufuna ibowl ye-ice cream uyayiphaka noba uyifune late noba uyifune nini uyayiphaka and futhi uyiphaka ngalo hlobo uphaka ngalo ezonke ucingela abanye you understand. But kweminye imizi kukho imithetho awunotya ice cream kungekho Saturday afternoon mhlawumbi okanye awunotya ice cream ingatyiwa ngumuntu wonke mhlawumbi okanye whatever rule ekhoyo that I understand. What I do not understand is that xa ulungisa umuntu esenza into engekho right into ebangela uba mawufactorishe into kokubana akaphangeli jonga ndizibhaqe sendiguglisha ibrand yala ice cream I think iPolar andiyazi ndiguglishile I think it's about 90 rand. Omfumeneyo la bhuti nqenqeza phambili 100 rand yam akathenge le ice cream caba mntu akabayo uyathethisa. Inhliziyo yami guys like izolo qha ke namhlanje bekho ipost ebalulekileyo ngiqamba okay mandizi space ipost zami ingapost ngexesha elinye but uxhelela inhliziyo yami la nantsika uxhela umphefumulo wami la post because akakaphela uDecember isezaba zi-big days kuthi hayi sika awuphange sono sobhuti bethu sana kungajikelezi e-ofisini nesitulo ndiposta le video so that if nibone either i-celebratory influencer or someone who posted or choyo ba kuyaphoswa into ephoswayo ngakulaa bhuti andithege ndifumaneke nam anditheke. I'm sure abantu sebeyibonile and I'm sure abantu sebeyibonile babazawuthini. Oko kwe-R100 ndiyigooglishile guys la ice cream. R100 i-5 litre yonke. Please. Ndicela umnika ngokwam la R100 ayithukelweyo la hlobo for ungaphangela. Inge-ice cream guys, ice cream. Yo, ndidanile. Ndiyophuke umphefumlo ngathi bekuthukwa mna. Yo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgozo Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. In the video lesiculator ko lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana yebhodi lothama kukhe ice cream endlini yakubo nkosi yami uyifake eglazini ufuna kodla and the whole family ivakala iyamkhulumela lapha ukuthi ayibo Sondla umuntu longasebenzi ice cream uzuyende ngathi milkshake. Le video beyisabalele lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana ishiya abantu abaningi bakhuluma ngayo baqheka le family ukuthi kungani ikhulume ngale ndlela. Some people are even saying ukuthi bafuna kumsidi including bo Dominic Basho ukuthi bafuna kumthengela ice cream layo yidla December wonke. Actually bafuna kumthengela yonke into la ifunako kulo December because people are saying ukuthi just because awusebenzi family doesn't mean ukuthi kufanele bakutreat ngazuthi awusimuntu bafuneka bakutreat kabi bakhulumele ngisho udla. So abantu abaningi bavisa ebuhlungu le video yashiya abantu abaningi bathi bamfuna kulomfana bafuna ukuthi bamside ngalesi sikhathi ku-Facebook or ku-TikTok bakuposta or especially nje vele sisho ukuthi inkundleni yokuxhumana bakuposta abantu bathi babukusa ngawe uNkulunkulu avela kwendele uyinto lenhle akuphakamise ngaleso simo leso. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.